Uh, Hello, today I'm about to start a new class, and I title it How to Get a Free Host on a Free Domain Name. So, if you're interested, you can just follow and watch out this video. And if you're interested, maybe for example, you don't have enough money to get a free blog, like a free host. Or you just want to use it to do practice. You want to practice about this host, how the cPanel works. So, you can just follow this tutorial and get and understand basic things, because I'll still be doing other videos than this. So those videos I will be teaching you how to install WordPress, how to upload, maintain things, and other things. So let's get started. So, and the wonderful thing about this thing, you can use it with Google AdSense, you can use it with anything. Google AdSense, they can do the advert on your site. So let's get started. So what you need to do now is just to follow my step, and then you see how I'm doing, and just follow the step I'm about to show you. So first of all, let's go to our Chrome. So going to our Chrome, we need to sign in to Gmail. So let's sign in to, I'll sign in to prettyminaj1257 at gmail.com. So I'm using this one as my, or you can create a new Gmail and start. So I don't have that time. So let me just go and sign. After signing in, then try to add a tab, and that tab, that's where we're getting our website for. So visit google.com. So what we're doing now, as we are waiting, so it can just be, so Google has opened. Let me with my Gmail. See, because we need the Gmail to do anything that we're doing, but you can still use Yahoo anything, but we need this Gmail. So let's start. So we'll search for uhost full. Immediately search for uhost full. Some link will pop up, which is this uhost full free. And all you need to do is just click it, direct it to a website, and then the next thing, you click sign up free hosting. Very easy. Then you click sign up. Immediately click sign up. First of all, you put your username. So what username am I going to put? Let me put pretty free. Then the password. Then the next, you put your email, which is, my email is prettyminaj1257. Then your choose a plan. Your plan is free. Then what your site category, is it personal or some nice soft and download? Then English, you leave this one like this, and then you go to, you write your security code, which is 8629D. Most of them, they are very case sensitive, so always use the way you see it, that's how you put it. So you click register. Immediately you click register, this thing will come up. They will send you an notification to your mail, to your mail. So you go to your Gmail, where you refresh. For 10 minutes, they would have sent it. So let's just wait for 10 minutes while we're waiting. Yeah, sure. So maybe this mail is not working. So what we'll do, we'll try another mail. Don't know what's up. So let me just look for another mail I could use. So let me sign out this mail and add another mail to see if I can do it with that mail. So what mail do I have again? So let's sign up with this man. Wesley Wee, 1994. So let's start. Let's just use this mail. So you just go click sign up. Excuse me. Excuse me. Username John Wesley. In the next step, you put your password. And it's still the same step. You see, it's very easy. Then you put the Gmail. Sorry, I'm putting Wesley Wee 1994. So one next, and I put this step. So you put 7 1 E B B7. So they said they will send a confirmation. So let me go to my Wesley. So you won't see the thing is that you won't see it here. You will not see the message or the activation message. So you go to your spam folder. That's where you see it. So this so long as spam. So it takes time. I done a little bit some time ago. So you see the message here, and immediately you see it, then you see what you signed up for. You see the password. You see everything. Then if you click, then just click cPanel. You have done it. So you see everything here. So they'll send your username, your password, and everything. You're getting it. So now my password is naturally 2022. This is my username. So that's most time that's how it is. So that's how it is. Then after seeing that, then you click the button. You go to your cPanel. Then you click here. Before that, they will send the activation. This is the activation link you sent to me. You click activation, you click it, and then you activate. After activating, then they will send you another message, and that message is your account. Your account has been activated, then you can log in. So what we'll do now, we'll log into this. So copy your username. They will give you their own username for cPanel that you can use when you want to. So you copy your username, then you come to this place, then you paste it. Then the next thing you do, you put your password. So my password is Nashedi 22. Then you log in. So you are there. Then what next? Now you are logged into the cPanel. These are the cPanel look like. It's like other cPanel. So you have unlimited. And one good thing about this thing, you have unlimited database. You have unlimited packed domain. You have unlimited add-on. So what we are doing now is add-on. We'll do add-on. So then you have unlimited subdomain. So what we'll do now, we'll go and add on the domain. So I click tab, then I go to freenom.com. Are you seeing it? Freenom.com. Freenom, which is free domain name. So you click here. Here we'll get our domain name from here. Mainly we get the domain and we add it on to here. So once you do, as you are creating the domain name, come to your cPanel, go to add-on, click your add-on. Then this your add-on, you copy this thing because you are about to add another new domain to this place. Then you copy this thing. So you click, maybe let's say, what domain I want to, let me use Wesley classes. Now let me use Wesley. Let me use John Wesley. John Wesley, then I put a search. So if I search, maybe I click check for availability, then I will see TK. So this TK is not available. Somebody has already used it. CF is not available. So because the only thing that Google can accept is TK and CF. So the other domains you pay, you have to pay for .com. So what we'll do now, I will put Shady, then check for availability. Now this is it. I click TK, then next I click get now. So now I'm getting 2 domain. So what I will do, I click checkout. So it's like I made a mistake. I didn't sign in with my John Wesley account. So there's no, but I can still do it. I can still solve that problem. But let me just, for the sake of this tutorial, let me just continue. So I'll put 12 months. 12 months. So I'm using this thing for 12 months. After 12 months, it expires. And after that, the wait comes up, then you sign in. You have to sign into a Gmail. So, or sign in. So I click login. I'm already a user. So let me put my, I should just sign in with my Gmail, which is this Wesley when you see there. So immediately it comes up, then you see Wesley Way, then I sign in. So you click it, then sign in. And the network today is very poor. So I put my company name. My company name is Wesley 1, 2, 4, sorry, Wesley 1994. Then my location is, I'm in Warri right now. So I'll Warri Delta State. I can put Warri Department, show that I'm in Warri, and so let me just put Warri Delta State. And my zip code is 332. This is our zip code in Warri. So I don't want to put, because I'll just put my zip code. Then the next thing I'll put, I stay at number 21 PTI Road. Yeah, number 21 PTI Road. 21 PTI Road. It's about 21 PTI Road. Efun GRA. So let me put my zip code again, 332. So then what next? I choose my state. I'm from Delta State. So you put your state or your country. If you're outside Nigeria, you put here you are. If you're outside, if you're anywhere in Africa, just put it. So you click checkout. When you check out all you got. So immediately the student will shape something like this will come up. Now you have ordered for it. So you can click here to go to client area, or you can just simply just do like immediately get there, click my domains. So what I will do next? Wow, there's a lot of domains. So what we'll do, I will use nashedilane.ca. I click here. And most times like this, they are changing their policy every day. So we'll use our name server. So what we'll do now, we'll customize it, then something like this will pop up. I copied something the other time. So you come to your domain where you click add on, you copy this thing under this place. So then you come here, so you paste, then you come down and you paste. And after pasting, change this down to 2. If they're up to 3, that's how you do it. There's just 2. So after that, you come down and click change. Early click change, and it says successful. So copy this your domain name, this our domain name. Then we'll come to our cPanel and then we'll paste it in create a add-on. So you have already added it. So automatically the internet will detect and then we add it. So click add on. You see, congratulations. Okay, let me show you something. For example, if I put something like this, it don't just work like that. If I put .com, it won't work. It won't work. Just watch what will happen. You see, you need to restart now. You have to do it there. So go back. Then we go to your home. Now we're through with this place. We have nothing to do here. You can close it. So then you go to your home, and what you do here now, you go to your soft Coolers app installer. Sorry, you go to your, then you want to install our WordPress, you come here, the app install. Install Cooler. So when you click it, then what you do, it depends on the site you want to create. So you already have a domain name. If I want to create a website, a WordPress site, I can click here. If I want to install a social media website anyhow, so but I want to use WordPress, so what we'll do, we'll go to blogs, click blogs. When you click blogs, then you go to WordPress. It's the most famous and used. So you come here, click install now, click install. Click install, and when you click install, then that's it. You click, you remove this WP. So you come to your domain. This is our domain name, nowscheduling.cf. So you click it, and this is our domain name, and then you click on the class. So the next thing, you go to WordPress. That's right. Okay, let me just leave it like that. My blog, I can change it later. In the admin, you put admin, and like somebody like me, I'll put Nashedi. If I put Nashedi, then I'll put my password. Let me put it in. Hope you don't want to know about my password now. Let me go. My password is okay. Let me put my password. Maybe it's Nashedi22 or something like that. So you put your Gmail here. You can put your Gmail here. Westling Will 1994 at gmail.com. So then one next, everything is okay in chat English. If you are not, if you don't, you can change your language to anything. So next you click install. Immediately click install. To take 3 to 4 minutes, then already that 3 to 4 minutes to install. So now we have our website. So you see, this is our website now for the now. So if we go to our cPanel, our admin board, so you have 2 links. We'll send it to your mail, your website and your admin. So this is our website. And now you now have a website, a free website. Then the next step, you go to your WordPress. This is your WordPress, so you can start editing. So into this channel, then I'll show you how to upload theme, how to update your plugins, how to do a lot of things. Anything you want to do. If you want to blog, how to sign up for AdSense, how to connect it, how to add it to Google search. Then that's all. So thank you for watching. God bless you. Just love you. So thank you, and please, I will love you. You know the button is under. Just turn on subscribe. It won't cost you anything. Thank you. You can still share it to friends. Thank you. God bless.